Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I put something up. I think it's been about 2 weeks. I have been sick. My voice wasn't up to it. I had a really bad cough. But yeah, I'm doing this. Is gonna be my first video of the new year. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year's, you guys. Hope your year is going good so far. What am I opening up today? Let's see. I have actually just got this in the mail, I think today. My Rip and Ship Arena subscription. So let's go ahead and get that open. Okay. So packs. We got. Put this right over here. We have Mega Evolution, Shrouded Fable, and Obsidian Flames. Let's see which one. We'll open Mega last since it's the more recent of the packs, and then we'll open or reveal our slab. So Obsidian Flames. Code card. Ooh. We have Water Energy, Bonsly, Olive, Timple, Thurskit, Dragonair, Armarouge, Among Us, Lechonk, King Gambit, and Darkrai. We have Shrouded Fable, we have Code Card. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Dark Energy, Meow, Zubat, Drowsy, Absol, Genesect, Night Stretcher, Chorus's Tenacity, Capparaja, Inkay, and Dusknoir. So hopefully within the next 2 weeks or so, I'll have my new setup ready to go. Just haven't had time to do it. Mega Evolutions. Spending time with family. And plus I've been sick, so yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but my voice is a little shot still. Code card. Still a little blurry. Probably need to wet my camera lens. Let's see. Dark Energy, Miltank, Curlia, Drizzle, Scorbunny, Shiftry, Boss's Orders, Stonejourner, Bunnyary, Kyogre, and oh, Fighting Gong. One hit. Then we have our slab. CGC. It is the yellow borders, so we already know this is gonna be the pristine it is a Japanese card. Let's see what card we get. Oh, it's a Piplup. So cute. Love this. Got the Piplup. Oh, gotta clean up the slab. But yeah, didn't have to do the reveal or hiding it because the difference between the regular one and the pristines have this yellowish thing, and then I think the regular, I don't know if I have one. No, I don't have one next to me to compare, but yeah, didn't have to hide it, so automatic like pristine 10 if you have that yellow border. But yeah, that's it for this video. Kind of short, but it was my first video of the new year. Just trying to get back into it since it's been about 2 weeks since I've made anything, to be honest. But yeah, hope you guys have been having a good year so far. Probably gonna be doing another video. See if I can upload one tomorrow. We'll see, but I'll try to get back to a weekly video. But yeah, thanks guys. I do appreciate you stopping by to see my first video of the year. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are. Please take care of yourselves, and again, Happy New Year's. Thanks. Bye.